So I'm out testing the 1951 BSA D1 plunger. She's currently got a D7 engine fitted, but typically she has a D14 engine, and for those that are beady-eyed, you'll see that she has an underseat battery box that's 3D printed. There are a number of 3D printed parts, including her speedo and tacho pod. The tacho is electronic, the speedo takes the drive from the Honda front wheel, laced to the CWC wheels that you can see. It's really a shakedown run. I'm riding on the green lanes around the North Cambridgeshire Norfolk border, just getting all the rattles, all the loose tin work dialed in, and her rear mudguard is a BSA C15T trial mudguard. It's the same radius as that I needed on the Bantam, so I've been chopping away at that gingerly, and I've now got her just about lined up before I order a Speedwell. For those people that don't realise who Speedwell were, they were the OEM manufacturer for most mudguards for the British motorcycle industry. She's running electronic ignition system, 12 volts, and she's got a few extras. There's a few discrete USB-C leads dotted around the bike. The panniers were, the brackets were again 3D printed, and I'm presently designing a bash plate with cardboard, ex-Amazon boxes, and I'm going to 3D print a carbon bash plate for her, trying to keep the weight down. What's she like to ride? Well, the Honda forks certainly help. For those people that follow my channel, she had the original BSA Bantam D1 forks. They were simply too spindly and flexible, and I wasn't confident with them. So what you can see there on the Special is that she's got a D7 yoke set with a Honda CG125 fork set. I'm not 100% happy after today with the mounting in the pods of the tacho and the speedo. I'm going to rethink that and process it. But with regards to the switch gear, on the handlebars on the left, you'll notice there's a horn and a kill switch that is certainly more substantial than the Lucas typical that you'd see on a BSA. I've retained her central switch, so it's off, running light, P-ball, pilot light, call it what you want, and then the second click is the headlight. 12 volt neg earth on this bike, and recently made a modification to the rear number plate. She's now got a polyurethane flexible number plate, and I've printed vinyl stickers to give me the larger Charles Wright, WRGHIT font that is legal in the UK. And I've also been experimenting, you won't see it because it's too tatty, but on the other side I've various samples of vinyl material stuck to the pannier to check what adhesion those panniers give. I'm sure there'll be more modifications along the way. Please, if you like these videos of me riding and making things, including 3D printing, please think about hitting the like button and perhaps even hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please ride safe.